Coming to this year's festival circuit, the Hookup Truck, where the elite meet to eat some sweet teat meat on mollies. Artist Spy Emerson, who is a woman named Spy, sink into that tub of awesome for a second, is hitting the road this summer, traveling the country in her hookup truck. For 75 bucks, partiers can rent the no-frills space and bang their brains out for 30 minutes, with Spy documenting the pre- and post-coital phases for her upcoming gallery exhibition. Hey, beats pounding one out in the Coachella honeypot. Other planned stops include the Electric Daisy Carnival and the Miami Art Basel. But as varied as these locations are, they're sure to have one thing in common. Doped up sex maniacs looking for a place to throw down. So it looks like Spy really cornered the market with this little procreational pop-up shop. Hey, here's to art! If you thought that was a good one, don't forget to check out our channel. Like, share, subscribe, and watch new videos every weekday.